Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now let's bring the bowl together by adding toppings, dressing, and all the finishing touches for maximum flavor. Healthy dressings. Tahini lemon dressing. A creamy, tangy choice that complements many flavors. Balsamic vinaigrette. A classic, slightly sweet, and acidic option. Avocado lime dressing. Creamy and zesty, perfect for a fresh taste. Crunchy toppings. Avocado slices. Add healthy fats and a creamy texture. Toasted nuts or seeds. Think pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, or sesame seeds for a satisfying crunch. Crumbled feta. If you are not vegan, a little feta adds a salty, tangy kick. Fresh herbs. Cilantro, parsley, or mint. These bright herbs bring a fresh, aromatic finish. Nutritional yeast. A sprinkle offers a cheesy, umami flavor for those seeking a plant-based alternative. These additions do more than just taste good. They enhance your bowl's nutritional profile, adding healthy fats, extra vitamins, and distinctive flavors. Beyond the bowl, meal prep and customization tips. Making a delicious quinoa and chickpea power bowl is just the start. The real magic happens when you turn this concept into a meal prep routine. This approach saves you time during busy weekdays and ensures you always have a healthy option within reach. Plus, with a few simple tricks, you can enjoy endless flavor combinations, keeping your meals exciting and preventing any mealtime boredom. Power bowl meal prep for the week ahead. Imagine having nutritious, ready-to-eat meals waiting for you, no cooking required. This is the beauty of meal prepping your power bowls. It transforms your kitchen into an efficient assembly line. Here's how you can make your power bowl prep a breeze. Batch cook your grains and legumes. Dedicate some time on the weekend or a chosen prep day to cook larger quantities of quinoa and chickpeas. Simply follow the instructions from the previous section to get that perfect fluffy quinoa and flavorful chickpeas. Store them in separate airtight containers once cooled. Chop and store veggies. Wash and chop your favorite vegetables in advance. This could include bell peppers, cucumbers, carrots, or even leafy greens. Some vegetables, like roasted sweet potatoes, can be cooked ahead and stored. Keep them in separate containers or resealable bags to maintain their crispness and texture. Prepare dressings separately. Dressings are key for flavor. Make a larger batch of your preferred dressing, whether it's a lemon tahini, balsamic vinaigrette, or avocado lime. Store it in a small, sealed jar in the refrigerator. This keeps your greens from getting soggy and lets you control the amount you add. By storing each component individually, you maintain maximum freshness. When it is time to eat, simply combine your desired amounts of quinoa, chickpeas, veggies, and dressing. This method makes grab-and-go lunches incredibly easy and turns quick dinners into a stress-free reality. You simply assemble your bowl just before eating. Endless variations, mix and match for every mood. The Quinoa and Chickpea Power Bowl is naturally versatile. Think of it as a canvas where you can paint new flavors and textures. This prevents meal fatigue and keeps your taste buds excited. You do not have to eat the same exact bowl every day. Consider these creative ideas to customize your bowls. Mediterranean twist. Add Kalamata olives, sun-dried tomatoes, crumbled feta if desired, and a drizzle of olive oil. A sprinkle of fresh oregano or basil enhances this flavor profile. Mexican fiesta. Incorporate black beans in addition to chickpeas, corn, salsa, avocado chunks, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. A dash of chili powder on the chickpeas before roasting adds extra kick. Asian inspiration. Mix in edamame, shredded carrots, thinly sliced cabbage, and a soy ginger dressing. Toasted sesame seeds can add a nutty crunch. Pesto power. Stir in a spoonful of your favorite pesto, basil or even a kale pesto, to your quinoa, then add cherry tomatoes, mozzarella balls if not vegan, and fresh spinach. Do not be afraid to experiment with various proteins, grains, and vegetable combinations beyond our core recipe. Swap roasted chickpeas for baked tofu or tempeh sometimes. Try serving your components over different greens like arugula or mixed spring greens. The goal is to keep things interesting and tailored to your cravings. This way, your healthy meal prep remains a joy, not a chore. The Quinoa Chickpea Power Bowl offers a complete package. It nourishes your body, adapts to your taste, and simplifies healthy eating. With its rich blend of plant-based protein, fiber, and diverse nutrients, this bowl provides sustained energy without compromising on flavor. It is a smart choice for anyone seeking simple, satisfying meals. We encourage you to create your own power bowl, experimenting with different vegetables and dressings. Share your favorite combinations and make healthier eating a regular part of your routine. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.